Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 29. National Security Minister Robert Montague says management of police resources is being improved so that they can be better used to smash criminal gangs. The minister made the comments while handing over 20 new vehicles to area and shift commanders at the Office of the Police Commissioner on Friday. The vehicles are assigned to the JCF's 5 areas and 19 divisions. 4 were handed over in St. Mary early last week.
The vehicles are equipped with trackers, they have radios, they have the globe lights, and they have a public address system that can also enhance the delivery of police services on our streets.
The new Grand Vitaras were purchased at a cost of $36 million and come with a maintenance service package. The Fisheries bill is to be tabled in Parliament in September. Fisheries Minister Carl Samuda made the announcement on Friday during a tour of the B&D Trawlings Limited facility in downtown Kingston. The bill will replace the Fisheries Act of 1976 and will establish a legal and regulatory framework that creates the enabling environment for the sector's sustainable growth. This includes ramping up measures to tackle poaching and unregulated fishing in Jamaican waters.
What that bill really seeks to do is to make the process more transparent, based on collaboration with the industry players. It broadens the decision-making process, and it will enhance the way that the people who are engaged in this industry feel about expanding their investment, because it will give them a greater sense of ownership of the industry.
The new legislation will facilitate the establishment of a proper licensing authority equipped with the requisite provisions. The Copyright Act is to be amended to introduce comprehensive measures to tackle digital piracy. Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange says the response to piracy needs to change to effectively address some of the challenges faced by players in the industry.
We note, applaud, and appreciate the effort of the police to deal with piracy of physical recordings. But we need to start dealing effectively with piracy online. We need to go after the online pirates, shut them down, and prosecute them. Our updated response must include a combination of measures, including website blocking.
The Copyright Amendment Act will allow for government oversight of copyright collective management societies, representing the interest of creators and publishers of musical and literary works and producers of sound recordings.
Importantly, the performers' rights agreed under the WIPO Internet Treaties must also now be passed into local law to enable Jamaican performers to secure the benefits their counterparts in other countries already enjoy.
The minister was speaking at a recent seminar on the business of music held at the Knutsford Court Hotel in New Kingston. She revealed that by the end of the year, record producers would have earned royalties from and through the Jamaica Music Society in the amount of $131 million. 100 students from Western Jamaica have received bursaries to further their tertiary education. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Dr. Horace Chang, says the support is to contribute to economic growth by building human capital.
Providing training is critical to provide the opportunity for us as a country to achieve our targets in growth and economy, and to give our people a chance to earn the better quality, the income to give them better quality of life.
The bursaries were provided through the Constituency Development Fund. They were presented during an awards ceremony hosted by the University of the West Indies Western Campus in Montego Bay. And finally, the Jamaica Information Service JIS is now accepting entries for its annual Heritage Essay, Poster and Photography competitions. Manager of Special Projects at the JIS and Chair of the Heritage Competition Planning Committee, Andreen Davidson, says holding the competition is one of the ways in which the agency encourages students to participate in the dialogue about the country's heritage. The essay competition targets children at the primary level who are between 9 and 12 years of age. They are required to write between 400 and 500 words on the theme, "How would you like to see Jamaica in another 55 years?" Essays should be submitted using the application form at jis.gov.jm. The poster competition is open to students in grades 7 to 13 at registered secondary schools. They are required to design an 11 by 17-inch poster digitally or by illustration depicting Jamaica 55. And the photography competition, which is in its second year, targets students attending an accredited tertiary institution. They're required to submit a high-resolution quality photograph depicting Jamaica 55. Students have until midnight on October 31, 2017 to submit their entries. Prizes will be awarded to the top participants for all 3 competitions, courtesy of sponsorship from corporate Jamaica, including financial and tertiary institutions, technology companies, and bookstores. For more information, persons may email heritagephoto@jis.gov.jm, heritageposter@jis.gov.jm, or heritageessay@jis.gov.jm. They may also call the JIS at 926-3590-4. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.